Assalamualaikum and hi. Today, me and my teammate will present annuity in practice on the subject of business mathematics. First of all, let me introduce my group member. First of all, Muhammad Nasri bin Baharudin, Muhammad Izzat Irfan bin Muhammad Amran, and me, Muhammad Azrul bin Zahurin. So, what is annuity? An annuity is a series of equal payment made at regular interval. In real life, annuity appear in loan, insurance, retirement saving, and investment plan.
Okay, moving on to future value. Future value, or S, is the total amount you will have in the future after making equal monthly payments. Each payments earn interest over time. So this is the formula we use to calculate S, which is S equals to R 1 plus I to the power of N minus 1 over I. R is the monthly payment, I is the monthly interest rate, and N is the total compounding periods. And to find the total interest earned, we use another formula, which is I equals to S minus N times R. Okay, so here is an example to show how annuity works in real life. Bahil is a pilot and he wants to start saving money for himself. He deposits 150 ringgit every month for 4 years. The account gives 4% annual interest, compounded monthly. After 4 years, he will have a total amount saved, but he is curious how much interest he actually earned. So, we will use the annuity formula to calculate his future value and also interest.
Here we are calculating the future value of an annuity. The scenario assumes that 150 ringgit is deposited every month. The interest rate is 4% per year and the investment lasts for 4 years. Firstly, we identify all the variables needed for the annuity formula. R is the monthly payment, which is 150 ringgit. T is the time period in years, which is 4 years. M is the number of compounding periods per year, which is 12 for monthly payment. The annual interest rate is 4% or 0.04 in decimal form. From here, we calculate the periodic interest rate I by dividing the annual rate by 12. Here. Next, we find the total number of payment, which is N equal to M times T. We now use the future value of an ordinary annuity formula. S equal to R bracket 1 plus I powered by N minus 1 over I. We substitute the values into the formula. When we compute this, the future value of the annuity becomes 7,793 ringgit and 94 cents. Finally, to find how much interest was earned, we take the total accumulated values and subtract the total amount of money actually deposited. We use this formula, I equal to interest equal to N equal to S minus N times R. Interest equal to 7,793 ringgit and 94 cents minus 48 times 150. This means that over 4 years, the investment by Mr. Bahil earned 593 ringgit and 94 cents purely from the interest. In summary, understanding annuities helps individuals calculate their saving for long-term financial goals. Thank you so much.